Really cool thing. On Fridays, I do trade reviews. That's what today is, Friday. Therefore, I chose a trade review from out there on the real life trading community to talk about, discuss, analyze, break down, and segment about what we could have done good, better, great, bad, and all in between. Hope you enjoy this trade review.
All right, thanks camera guy. I appreciate you zooming back into my screen. Folks from around the world, my name is Jeremy Alexander Newsom, and I'm the CEO of a company called Real Life Trading, where our mission is to enrich lives. Today, I am reviewing a trade that a real life trader took. This is a coaching student of mine that I've worked with before. His name is Lauren, and he actually was profitable. I say actually, sorry. He was profitable the month of April. So Lauren, congratulations, man. Well done. I think that's your second month in a row. Slow and steady wins the race. You're getting there, man. Massive improvements, because a year ago, this guy couldn't trade profitably to save his life, but now my man's just throwing up W's every single month, and it's just a wonderful, wonderful thing to see the growth and progress. Since today is Friday, we're going to do a trade review, walking us through the steps of why he took this trade, how he took this trade, and all that kind of good stuff. So this is Twitter, and on Twitter, what we're going to notice is that Lauren pretty much shorted a retest, I believe, of the previous low of the day, had a super conservative stop. So his entry was 27.90 and his stop was 28.68. So high stop. And that's a good thing, because the market was really weird today and he wanted to make sure he lost less than an R. You can see Lauren had a resistance at 28.57. So what I would think on this particular trade, Lauren, and again, just my opinion, but with this massive bearish candle, you shorting with a pullback into that candle makes perfect sense. With a resistance line at 28.57, you probably could have just had to stop at 28.61, 28.62, right? Just a penny or two above that, because really that you're going to lower the stop above this wick at some point, and then you're going to lower your stop above here, because really the stock should never take out this candle. But if it did take out that candle, then this would be a resistance, and then that would hit that. Anyway, stop could have been just a little bit lower, few pennies, very conservative, but I get it. The entry, though, was spot on money. Let's kind of walk through step by step how Lauren played Twitter and kind of why. So if we go to TWTR, and we're going to go look at this on, first of all, we're going to kind of review it on the daily chart. And just kind of zooming out here, what we want to look at this particular moment in time, it was a retest gap. So on Friday, you had a bearish gap and go, bullish candle gapping down. So you had some people trapped on that particular day, and then we are gapping down a little bit more on the daily on Twitter. So playing it as a retest gap definitely makes sense. If we pop in here to, let's just look at a 5-minute chart. So the 5-minute chart on Twitter, relatively clean and simple to understand how Lauren played it the way he did and why. Strong bullish candle, right? Massive bullish candle. We trade up, we rotate down, 3 bearish candles in a row, and we close below the low of the day. So closing below the low of the day, trapping all those bulls, all the people who bought, a little bit of a bearish signal. And then with the size of this bearish candle that came in, you're automatically looking to short at least around 28.10, 28.05, something to that magnitude. So we can kind of see that Lauren played it short off of some of the moving averages that he was using. This looks like the 20 EMA, and the 20 EMA stock pulled into the 20. He was able to short it there as it was kind of just hanging out, and that was him using a old, strong moving average as a shorting opportunity. Did he know it was going to roll over there? No, not at all. Target was 26.81, and as the stock made a new low, rotated higher, he just started moving his stop lower and lower and lower, and then eventually had a stop lost at 27.42, which you can see got trailed out. That was a really beautiful spot to get trailed out, because once that double bottom inverted head and shoulders pattern with this really good volume spike right there, once that came in, you had this really nice rollover at 12.55, and we popped above there. Twitter really ran higher a little bit and ended up trailing you out, Lauren, for a win, which is, again, great news. Stack them, collect them, and protect them. That was a really nice little move. Good short. The entry is what made that trade work, because if you would have shorted lower, like let's say you took a short down here when it took out and made the new low, you really wouldn't have made any money at all on that trade. So great entry. Stop could have been a little more conservative. And again, I get it. I mean, way up here, I understand, but it could have been like 28.50, 28.61, 28.62, maybe even 28.53 and some change. And could have helped out a little bit more on that trade as far as the gain. Entry was phenomenal. Analysis was phenomenal. Lauren, well done. Great job. Excited to see you crush it and be profitable again in the month of May. Speaking of May, ladies and gentlemen, we have a May contest coming out for you. This is it on the website. I'll make sure it's in the description box. It's also going to be in your email. We're going to give away $20,000 worth of prizes if you want to be a part of this contest. This is going to be the first week of May. So just something to kind of keep in mind. It's right around the corner. And I think that a lot of people are going to be extremely excited to win some of the prizes in here. All you have to do to participate is get your friends to text these numbers, right, RLT, to one of these two numbers and tell them who sent you. So make sure that they include your name, all right? And as you can kind of see, this is an example of what it should look like. But they're going to get your name. They're going to get it tested. They're going to get you and find out where exactly who exactly referred you. So make sure that you tell them, use your name, and if you do win the contest, these prizes are legit. They are fire. First prize, whoever refers the most people, you're going to come to me to my Wealth and Mindset conference in the Turks and Caicos Islands for 4 nights and 5 days with a $1,000 flight voucher and Money Grows on Trees, a bunch of books, a bunch of courses, 6 months of real life trading. If you come in second, you get 3 months of real life trading plus a paid RLT retreat in September with the hotel, all on us. That's a $6,500 value plus, again, trading courses and everything else that's going to be absolutely stupendously sensational. Get in, get it out, make it happen. Let's enrich some lives together. This is going to be really, really cool, and this is a live tracking system. This is live and ready to go. So if you have any questions, let us know, but that is happening starting very soon. Be a part of the contest. Get some people in our RLT and get them all signed up and fired up. The calendar club is over for me. April was a wrap. That was 465 miles, which is the most I've ever run in my entire life, not to mention just in 1 month. So much endurance and mental stamina to finish that. But ladies and gentlemen, thank you for all the kind words. And yes, it does happen to also be my birthday tomorrow, which means I'll be taking a little bit of a vacation next week. So you will see more of us and more of me back on May 11th when I return from my vacation. But folks from around the world, thank you for tuning into your Friday Trade Review. You are amazing. I appreciate you always interacting and giving us love and kind, generous thoughts and comments. You are a star. And until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.
Okay, that was your Friday Trade Review. Thank you for watching. You are a majestically marvelous human being. I'll see you later. Bye.